Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the channel where we dive deep into the world of automobiles, bringing you detailed reviews, specs and features of some of the most popular cars around the globe. Today our focus is on the Ford Focus, a car that has earned its place in the market as one of the most versatile compact vehicles available. For years the Ford Focus has been a strong competitor in the hatchback and sedan segments, offering a combination of style, practicality, performance and technology that appeals to a wide range of drivers. In this video we will explore the review, specs and features of the Ford Focus to understand why it continues to be a reliable choice for many car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. The Ford Focus has a reputation for being a driver's car. Even though it belongs to the compact category, Ford has always emphasized making the Focus enjoyable to drive, and this is reflected in its sharp handling, precise steering and agile chassis. Whether you are driving through city streets or cruising on highways, the Focus feels stable, controlled and confident. This quality makes it stand out from many of its rivals in the same price range. Reviews consistently praise the driving dynamics of the Focus, highlighting its sporty feel and the balance between comfort and performance. This engaging driving experience is one of the main reasons the Focus has remained popular across generations. Under the hood, the Ford Focus has been offered with a wide range of engine options catering to different markets and driver preferences. One of the most popular engines is the 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, which is known for its efficiency and surprising power output. Despite its small size, it delivers strong acceleration and is highly economical, making it a perfect choice for city driving and daily commutes. Other options include naturally aspirated petrol engines, larger EcoBoost turbo engines, and in some regions diesel powertrains. For those who crave more excitement, the Ford Focus Street and RS Performance variants bring significantly more power and sport-tuned dynamics. The Focus Street comes with a turbocharged engine that offers thrilling acceleration and sporty handling, while the Focus RS takes it to another level with all-wheel drive and rally-inspired performance. These high-performance versions have established a strong fan base worldwide. In terms of design, the Ford Focus has evolved with each generation to stay fresh and competitive. The most recent models feature a sleek and aerodynamic look with a bold front grille, sharp headlights and sculpted body lines that give it a sporty yet mature appearance. The design is versatile enough to appeal to younger buyers looking for style as well as families wanting something modern and practical. Hatchback versions look dynamic and compact, while the sedan variants carry a more traditional but equally stylish look. Depending on what buyers prefer, the range of trims from base to sporty versions offers flexibility to suit different tastes and budgets. Inside the cabin, the Ford Focus strikes a balance between practicality and comfort. The interior is thoughtfully laid out with good quality materials for its class, supportive seats and ample space for both front and rear passengers. It may be a compact car, but it makes efficient use of space, providing decent legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for daily use and long drives. The hatchback version offers practical boot space for luggage, groceries and travel, while the sedan provides a more conventional trunk design. Overall, the Focus interior feels user-friendly and functional with a clean design that avoids clutter. Technology has always been a strong point for the Focus, especially in its recent generations. Equipped with Ford's Sync infotainment system, the Focus offers an intuitive touchscreen interface that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth and voice commands. This ensures that drivers can stay connected and entertained without losing focus on the road. Higher trims of the Focus come with more advanced features like navigation, premium audio systems, wireless charging and digital instrument clusters, which bring a modern and high-tech feel to the car. Driver assistance technologies are also available on many variants, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear view cameras and autonomous emergency braking. These features not only enhance convenience but also significantly improve safety for both drivers and passengers. Speaking of safety, the Ford Focus has consistently received good ratings in crash tests and safety reviews. It is equipped with multiple airbags, electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes and other essential safety technologies. Advanced safety systems like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection and traffic sign recognition are available on higher trims, which makes the Focus a strong contender in terms of protecting its occupants and providing peace of mind. Fuel economy is another area where the Ford Focus shines, especially with the EcoBoost engine options. The smaller turbocharged engines are highly efficient while still providing enough power for enjoyable driving. This makes the Focus a cost-effective option for those who want to save on fuel expenses while enjoying a car that does not feel underpowered. The diesel variants available in certain markets also provide excellent long-distance fuel efficiency, making the Focus suitable for both city dwellers and highway commuters. Affordability and value for money have always been part of the Ford Focus appeal. It is competitively priced in the compact car segment, offering a rich package of features, performance and practicality for its cost. Running costs are relatively low and maintenance is manageable, with Ford's widespread service network adding to the convenience. The strong resale value of the Focus also makes it a practical choice for long-term ownership. Many buyers find that the Focus delivers a premium feel without the premium price tag, making it one of the best all-rounders in its class. When it comes to reviews from both experts and owners, the Ford Focus is frequently praised for its driving fun, comfortable interior and well-integrated technology. Enthusiasts particularly love the Saint and RS models for their dynamic performance that rivals far more expensive cars, while families and daily commuters appreciate the practicality and reliability of the standard versions. This ability to satisfy different kinds of drivers has been one of the biggest reasons for the lasting success of the Focus. The Ford Focus has also shown great adaptability over the years with changing automotive trends. It has continued to evolve by introducing hybrid technology, more advanced infotainment systems and a range of customization options for buyers in a segment where competition is fierce with rivals like the Volkswagen Golf, Honda Civic, Hyundai i30 and Toyota Corolla. The Focus has always held its ground by offering a compelling mix of performance, comfort and affordability. For young drivers, first-time buyers and even experienced motorists looking for a dependable compact car, the Ford Focus is a solid choice. It delivers a well-rounded package that covers everything from fuel efficiency and affordability to comfort and advanced technology. For those who want something extra, the Focus Street and RS bring performance and excitement that very few cars in this price range can match. This versatility is what makes the Focus stand out and remain a favorite across different types of buyers. Ultimately, the Ford Focus is more than just a compact car. It represents Ford's commitment to building vehicles that are practical yet fun, efficient yet powerful, and affordable yet high quality. It combines the everyday usability of a hatchback or sedan with the kind of engaging driving experience that keeps owners satisfied for years. This balance is why the Focus continues to be highly regarded across global markets. That brings us to the end of our detailed review of the Ford Focus here on Motorsports Mania. We hope you enjoyed learning about the reviews, specs and features of this versatile and popular car. If you want to stay updated with more in-depth car reviews and automotive content, do not forget to subscribe to Motorsports Mania and join us for more exciting videos coming soon.